Hello dear children, welcome to Vidya Setu, Kendriya Vidyalaya Upper Camp Dehradun. Today we are going to start the sixth chapter in EVS, Omana's Journey. In this chapter we'll learn about Indian Railways, the different people who work in Indian Railways and how it functions. Other than this, we will also learn the experiences in a train or when we go on a journey from one place to the other. So let us start the chapter. It is about a girl, Omana, who had planned a journey to Kerala with her friend Radha. There was a girl called Omana. You can see her in the picture. And she had her best friend Radha. They were going on a trip to Kerala. So let us start reading. Omana and her best friend Radha were very excited. They were both very happy. They were going on a train trip to Kerala. Omana was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with her family for a holiday. So Radha was going on a holiday and Omana's grandmother lived in Kerala. Omana's father had gone to book train tickets for both the families. Whenever we go by train, we have to book the tickets in advance. Then, just 2 days before their journey, Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured her right leg. जब जाने में सिर्फ 2 days बाकी होते हैं, Radha met with an accident. She fell from her bicycle and her right leg got fractured. अब पैर में फ्रैक्चर हो गया तो she could not move. So she had to cancel her trip. Her leg was put in plaster. The doctor said that she should not move her leg for 6 weeks. For 6 weeks she was advised not to move the leg. Radha's family had to cancel their tickets. जब हम टिकट एडवांस में ले लेते हैं, due to some reason, if we happen to cancel our trip, तो we can get our tickets also cancelled. और वो अमाउंट भी हमको मिल जाता है after some minor deduction. थोड़ा सा पैसा कट जाता है, बाकी we get it back. The two friends were very sad. Both of them were very sad क्योंकि whenever we go with our friends, we have so many plans. They were so happy. But now Radha would not go, so Omana was also very sad and Radha was also. They had made so many plans about what they would do together on the trip. Then Radha's Amma had an idea. Omana, why don't you write a diary? Why don't you write down everything about your trip in a diary? Then, when you come back, Radha can read all about your trip. This way, you will not forget anything, and it will also help you to pass the time on the train. So, her grandmother said, Omana, you write a diary. You write everything, every experience of your journey in the diary, and on coming back, you give that diary to Radha. And when we read the diary, we feel that we are also there. आपने भी देखा होगा जब हम डायरी लिखते हैं, कोई एक्सपीरियंसेस पढ़ते हैं, व्हेन वी एक्सपीरियंस रीड अ स्टोरी, तो कुछ देर के लिए हमें लगता है कि हम भी वहीं पर हैं. लाइक अभी वी आर रीडिंग दिस स्टोरी, तो ऐसा लग रहा है वी आर ऑल्सो गोइंग विद Omana. So writing diary is a very good habit. Even you also can write a diary, maintain it. Both the friends thought this was a good idea. Omana went home and found a notebook with blank pages to write all about her journey. Here are some pages from Omana's diary for you to read. So this lesson is actually her diary only, what all she has written in her diary. उसने क्या क्या देखा, she noted down in the diary. She noted down in the diary, and this is what we are going to read about. So Omana lived in Ahmedabad. कच्छ में रहती थी, अहमदाबाद गुजरात में. येलो स्टेट दिख रहा है विच इज़ मार्क्ड विद दैट रेड एरो. दिस इज़ गुजरात. ओमाना लिव्ड हेयर and she was going to this place, Kerala. You can see that green arrow there. Can you see it? Yes. So she was going to a far off place in India. This is the map of India. Ab tak to you must be very much familiar. In every chapter we are doing 2-3 states, so gradually आपको पूरा मैप रिवाइज हो जाएगा. And then we'll do some activity related to it. So she was going from Gujarat to Kerala. On the way she'll come across two different states also, Maharashtra, Karnataka. These are two big states. Definitely they would cross these and then reach Kerala. So what happens then? Let's read the diary. As soon as we had reached the station, we checked our names on the reservation chart. Soon the train reached the platform. We saw that the coach was already full. The train had started early in the morning from Gandhidham in Kutch. When the train came, there was so much confusion. People were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside, all from one door. We somehow managed to get in, find our seats, and put our luggage under them. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats and arranged their luggage. So what happens? On 16th May, date भी लिखी है. Omana reached the station. When we reach the station, first thing we do is एक चार्ट लगा होता है, रिजर्वेशन चार्ट, which should have your name and उसमें लिखा होता है what is your seat number, which bogie, because train has so many bogies, बहुत सारे डब्बे होते हैं, किस में आपका रिजर्वेशन है, it is mentioned. Then you have to go to that bogie and check the chart and take your seat. So they also check the reservation chart. Train had reached the आ गई थी स्टेशन and the coach was already full. Coach means again वही डब्बा ट्रेन का. It was already full. So many people travel every day. Indian Railways is the largest rail network in Asia. So बहुत सारे लोग ट्रेवल करते हैं, तो कोच वॉज ऑलरेडी फुल. द ट्रेन हैड स्टार्टेड अर्ली फ्रॉम गांधीधाम. कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई थी ट्रेन? गांधीधाम से. और अब वो ओमाना के स्टेशन पहुंची थी. दे चेक द रिजर्वेशन चार्ट एंड देन दे फाउंड देयर सीट्स एंड समहाउ दे मैनेज टू गेट इनसाइड द कोच. दे पुट देयर लगेज. सीट के नीचे रखते हैं लगेज. वी शुड नॉट कैरी अ लॉट ऑफ लगेज क्योंकि ट्रेन में बहुत ज़्यादा जगह नहीं होती है, अदरवाइज वी विल ourselves will find it difficult to travel. तो इस चैप्टर के साथ साथ you will learn all these things also. What happens then? Children, these are some pictures of reservation chart that I have put. देखो ऐसे होता है ना reservation chart. If you have traveled by train, आपने देखा होगा. If you have not traveled, try to go to a railway station one day with your father and see. कुछ नहीं तो ये देख कर आओ एक दिन जाकर कैसा होता है रिजर्वेशन चार्ट. उसमें नेम, एज, देन योर सीट नंबर, बोगी नंबर, सब कुछ होता है. वी शुड चेक इट एंड देन ओनली वी शुड बोर्ड द ट्रेन. सो what happened then? We somehow managed to get in, find our seats, and put our luggage under them. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats and arranged their luggage. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our tickets to see that we were in our proper seats. Amma and Appa had the lower berths. Unni and I have the middle. So train में if you are traveling by sleeper cars और 3 tier में 3 seats होते हैं. अपर सबसे ऊपर वाले को कहते हैं अपर बर्थ, मिडिल बर्थ एंड लोअर बर्थ. बर्थ BERTH, बर्थ मीन्स सीट इन द ट्रेन. देन टू कीप अ चेक कि कोई अननेसेसरली ऐसे ही बिना टिकट का नहीं आ जाए. देयर इज़ अ टिकट कलेक्टर ऑल्सो, TTE कहते हैं जिसे, ट्रेन टिकट एग्जामिनर. एग्जामिन मीन्स चेक. वो आकर हमारी टिकट चेक करता है सबकी. तो ही केम एंड चेक देयर टिकट्स एंड दे ऑल टुक देयर रेस्पेक्टिव berth, BER, berth, seat in the train. There is one more word, birth, BIRTH. It means to be born. Okay, पैदा होना. You are taking a birth. So there are two college students who have the upper berth. On the other hand, on the other berth, there is a family with two children. They seem to be about our age. I'll go and talk to them later. Now I'm sitting near the window and I have started writing about our journey, just as I had promised you. I'll stop now because Amma has opened the tiffin box. Amma had packed a lot of food, dhokla with chutney, lemon rice, and some mithai. My mouth is watering. I'll write more later. So they took their respective seats. There were other family also. ट्रेन में एक चीज़ में बहुत मज़ा आता है. We make new friends and we can play with them. We can discuss with them. बहुत हमेशा नए नए friends बनते हैं. बहुत मज़ा आता है. It's very good experience. So they also had some other children with which she was planning to make friends. And then she sat near the window. आपको भी पता होगा ट्रेन में खिड़की के पास बैठकर देखने से बाहर का व्यू बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो she also did the same and then started writing the diary. Then it was time for lunch. अम्मा opened the tiffin box. टिफ़िन बॉक्स में वो खाना लेकर आए थे. ढोकला, चटनी, लेमन राइस, मिठाई. जनरली ट्रेन में हम क्या लेकर जाते हैं खाने के लिए? यस, वी कैरी सच थिंग्स विच विल नॉट गेट स्पॉइल्ड सून. क्योंकि ट्रेन में हम खाना गर्म नहीं कर सकते हैं, सो हम ऐसी चीज़ ले जाएंगे जो थोड़ी ड्राई होगी एंड विच विल नॉट गेट स्पॉइल्ड. जनरली ड्राई वेजिटेबल्स वी कैरी, पूरी सब्जी, दीज थिंग्स वी कैरी विद अस. क्योंकि बाहर का ज़्यादा खाना भी नहीं अच्छा होता है. वी शुड ट्राई टू कंज्यूम ओनली द होम कुक्ड फूड मटेरियल जहाँ तक हो सके, एज फार एज पॉसिबल. नाउ देयर इज़ अ क्वेश्चन, व्हाई वॉज इट सो क्राउडेड एट द डोर ऑफ द कोच? कोच के डोर पर इतनी भीड़ क्यों थी? यस, it's because so many people travel every day. Somebody had to go in, somebody had to come out. डोर एक ही होता है पतला सा जिसमें से बहुत सारा सामान भी निकालना होता है. सो इट इज़ वेरी crowded. After lunch, some people slept, but I was not sleepy. I kept looking out of the window. I saw many fields, but they all were brown and dry. Sometimes we pass small villages, they seem to be flying by. Do you know that when the train is at a very high speed, things outside seem to be running in the opposite direction. जब हम ट्रेन में चलते हैं तो we are going in one direction and it seems that we are leaving the other things in opposite direction. हम तो चल रहे होते हैं, हमें लगता है कि वो पेड़ और बाकी चीज़ें हमारे उल्टे डायरेक्शन में, ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में चल रही हैं. Earlier it was really hot. Now that it is evening, there is some breeze. In the evening, very cool breeze comes from the window. The sun is slowly setting and the sky has become orange. I have never seen it look like this in Ahmedabad. She lives in Ahmedabad, so she's saying, such a beautiful view I have never seen in Ahmedabad. We have just passed a station called Vallasad. The train stopped for only 2 minutes, but even for the short time, there was so much noise. The train stopped for a very short while and थोड़ी देर के लिए वलसाड में रुकती है. उतनी देर में भी बहुत आवाज़ें आ रही होती हैं. वाई? बिकॉज ऑल हॉकर्स वर सेलिंग. वहाँ पर सब लोग सामान बेच रहे होते हैं. चाय गरम, चाय गरम. वन मैन वॉज कॉलिंग, बटाटा वड़ा, बटाटा वड़ा. दे सेल ऑल दीज टी एंड स्नैक्स एंड अदर थिंग्स. तो दे डू ऑल दीज things. So now we'll stop the lesson here. Now we'll revise who are the different people who work in the train for us. The first one, the main one is the train driver. The train driver drives the train. Beta, in this picture you can see a lady driver also. She is Surekha Yadav. She was the first lady train driver in India. So train driver drives the train. Then you can see porter. Porter कहते हैं, कुली को कहते हैं. Okay, who carries our luggage. हमारा सामान लेकर जाते हैं. तो these are porters. You can see in the picture. You must have seen in the railway stations and in trains carrying luggage of people. Then comes the train guard. Train guard gives directions for starting or stopping a train. So he gives direction whether the train has to start or stop. He carries flag. Green flag shows go, red flag shows stop. He has a whistle also. पहले whistle सीटी बजती है. You can see you must have heard that. और फिर ट्रेन को वो फ्लैग देकर स्टॉप भी करता है एंड स्टार्ट भी उसके सिग्नल से होती है. ओके. हॉकर्स आर द पीपल हु सेल डिफरेंट थिंग्स. जो अलग अलग सामान बेचते हैं ट्रेन के उसमें, बिकॉज लोगों को किसी भी चीज़ की ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है तो दे सेल ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन द ट्रेन. दे सेल टी, ड्रिंक्स, स्नैक्स एंड अदर एसेंशियल items. Then there are cleaners who ensure cleanliness in and of the train. Cleaners keep the train clean. ट्रेन के अंदर भी क्लीन करते हैं एंड ऑफ द ट्रेन. ट्रेन को बाहर से एंड एवरीवेयर इट इज़ क्लीन. आफ्टर एवरी वन राउंड ऑफ जर्नी द ट्रेन इज़ क्लीन. ओके. हम लोग ही होते हैं जो ट्रेन को गंदा करते हैं. अदरवाइज Indian Railways ensures to keep it clean, but because so many people are traveling, वो गंदा हो ही जाता है. अगर हम ध्यान रखेंगे तो गंदा नहीं होगा. So there are you can see these blue pipes in the picture. रेलवेज के साथ साथ प्लेटफॉर्म पर रेलवे वहाँ लगे होते हैं रेलवे स्टेशन में. From these pipe water is supplied to the train. Water उसमें fill किया जाता है for various purposes and then it is utilized. When we talk about trains in India, you must have heard this term IRCTC. ये बहुत common term है. It is a Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. It is a sort of helping association to Indian Railways. Indian Railways में catering जो food requirements होते हैं, बाकी maintenance, टिकटिंग वगैरह का प्रोसीजर ये IRCTC हैंडल करती है एंड इट इज़ हेल्पिंग द इंडियन रेलवेज. यू मस्ट नो दिस फुल फॉर्म ऑफ IRCTC. दिस इज़ द लोगो ऑफ. ये जो पिक्चर आपको देख रही है, जैसे आपके स्कूल ड्रेस में आप लोगो लगाते हैं, तो दिस इज़ द लोगो ऑफ इंडियन रेलवेज. यू शुड रिमेंबर ऑफ IRCTC. दिस इज़ रेलवे और लोगो ऑफ IRCTC एंड यू शुड रिमेंबर इट. Now when we are talking about trains, you should know something very interesting about train. Indian Railways are called the lifeline of India because trains are the one giving so much life to us. We are able to travel from one place to another and meet all our friends and relatives, so and do all our work which we have in different places very easily. So it is called the lifeline of India. Indian Railways, as I told you, is the largest rail network in Asia and the second largest in the world. एशिया का सबसे बड़ा रेल नेटवर्क है इंडिया का एंड वर्ल्ड का सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट है. वर्ल्ड का फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट इज यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. एशिया का भी फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट इंडिया एंड चाइना बोथ हैं, दोनों साथ में आते हैं. The full track length of Indian Railways can circle the equator about 1.5 टाइम्स। अगर इंडिया के फुल ट्रैक लेंथ, रेलवे का पूरे इंडिया के सारे रेलवे ट्रैक की लेंथ को ऐड कर दिया जाए तो इतना लंबा होता है कि पूरे अर्थ को इक्वेटर, उसके सेंटर के अलोंग 1.5 राउंड्स लगाए जा सकते हैं। तो यू कैन जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ लार्ज द इंडियन रेलवे नेटवर्क is. So we must be proud of it and we must keep it and maintain it the best in the world. Revise this much, we'll continue the next day.